mal, wenn man das in einen Gedanken fassen will.
To sum up what's going on here today, a medium-sized industrial Germany is opening up a research centre in North Rhine-Westphalia, Germany.
Ein Forschungszentrum einweiht.
Wir haben hier 1300 Quadratmeter.
We have laboratories here covering some 1300 square meters. Laboratories combined with a technology which has been confirmed as one of the leading global technologies, if not the world's leading technology. We can stimulate lightning currents here, lightning currents and surge currents of 100,000 or 200,000 amps. And that is on a realistic network capable of driving a short circuit current to the test object of up to 50,000 amps.
50.000 Ampere.
Wir haben dann im Laufe des Verfahrens
in the course of the procedure, we've checked documents, performed on-site inspections, and have therefore been able to establish a high degree of expertise in this company, particularly in the accredited specialist surge protection department.
Insbesondere natürlich auch zu dem akkreditierten Fachbereich Überspannungsschutz.
Das Hochstromprüffeld ist in seiner
The high current test laboratory is unique across the globe, thanks to its state-of-the-art facilities and high-performance capabilities. With this in mind, I'm convinced that this is not only an important keystone in the company's history, but also of key importance to future success, to your actual success.
Die Geschichte ihres Erfolges fortschreiben wird.